Welcome. In this video I have a Samsung monitor. In this video I'll show you how you can fix the problem of the screen turning off automatically. So to do that, you need to just bear in mind you need to use this joystick button from the back. So this is the top or up and down arrow key, and this is the select button and right and left button. So just remember this. That's the joystick button you have to use to navigate the menu button for to fix the how your monitor going into sleep. This monitor is on. We have to press the, as I show you before, from the joystick you need to press on center and you'll get something like that, and you use the upper key, press and select, you will get this menu. You need to press the down key and you need to come up setup and reset and press enter key, and we have to come press select down and we'll come into off timer. As you can see, press center button from the joystick, you'll give option. There you go, it's giving you off timer on and off. So, and also is, if we come down, select here, allow you after how long you need to turn it off. So for this monitor you can navigate left or right arrow key, so and then you'll press center. So we're gonna turn it off. We'll go center on the top and press on center button on the joystick from the back. Here you go, it's giving you option off, and select off and press the center button on the joystick on the back. Here you go. Now your monitor won't get off frequently. So this is how you fix it. Now you can left arrow key press and automatically the menu will go. So this is how you fix the off timer on your Samsung monitor.